Hi everyone and welcome to Raymondo Lee Motors. So today we have some car spots to share with you, all filmed on the dashcam. So I hope you enjoy it and tell me in the comments if you've seen any of these cars yourself. I was closed here. Two old cars. That's old car that way. Old car that way, that's. Cars that are coming out. They're all genie cars. Grenadier. Ineos. You see that, Lewis?
Yeah, it was not even sold under offer, is it?
Yeah, sorry. Well, walked up there a little late and it weren't there then, so.
Is that Friday?
Ferrari. No.
Continue on B6020 for 2 miles.
It's a BT Cruiser, that. Very rare. Only got one way, so we're talking. They're, automotive. GT3. Not the last version. Oh, it's ridiculous. It is M5. Yeah. £111,000 for that BMW. Jesus. That is ridiculous. So thank you very much for watching to the end. If you have done, I really appreciate it. Please remember to check out the playlist, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. There's going to be lots more content coming. Thank you and goodbye.